In this video, you'll learn how to open a Notion account. By following the steps outlined, you will successfully set up your account and be ready to use Notion for your organizational needs. Begin by opening your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome. This is essential as it provides a seamless experience when accessing web applications like Notion. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Google search engine by typing www.com into the address bar and pressing the Enter key. This will take you to the Google homepage, where you can search for Notion. In the Google search bar, type the word Notion and hit Enter. This action will display a list of search results related to Notion, including its official website. From the search results, locate the link to Notion's official website. It typically appears as Notion, the AI workspace that works for you. Click on this link to proceed to the Notion homepage. Once you reach the Notion homepage, look for the option labeled Login at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will take you to the Login section where you can access your account. If you do not have an account yet, you may need to create one. Look for the Sign Up option, which is usually presented prominently on the login page. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and set a password. After completing the sign-up form, check your email for a confirmation message from Notion. You may need to verify your email address before you can fully access your account. This step is crucial for account security. Once your account is verified, return to the Notion homepage and log in using your new credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to your Notion workspace, where you can start creating and organizing your pages. Now that you are logged in, you can begin by adding a new page. This is typically done by clicking on the Add New Page button, which allows you to start customizing your Notion experience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.